Hey everybody, this is Dustin and Dave, your specialist. So Dave's in the process of doing a body reseal. And so other things that are going on with this one is we're gonna be replacing both sides of this corner caps because these got cracked during installation. So you can see how they've got cracks here and then there's cracks on the bottom as well. There's also some areas on the side seams that were coming loose. Over here, there's a really significant gap. I don't know if I can get it right, but you can pretty much drop like let's say a nickel or something on there. So we're gonna try to sink that in a little bit more. Then there's the same thing, there's a gap that's bigger here. This whole piece of the S-lock, so there's numerous areas on the S-lock that's either coming loose or sharp. So this piece here, you can see, that the bonding of the sealant didn't hold. You can see me wiggling it. All right, so we're basically gonna take all the S-lock and we're gonna go ahead and we're basically pre-drill the holes, squirt silicone in them, and then add screws in the areas. We're not gonna go ahead and do the sides because it's already held in place by the compartment doors. So we're just gonna do the centers. We just don't want that to pop loose. Then here we're gonna do it, here we're gonna do it. Also, if you notice, you can see the sharp edges that's sticking out. So this is pretty sharp. Cut your hand on it. It did the same thing back here. This sharp edge is exposed. So when that gets screwed in place and tapped down, it'll be fine. So like I said, he's going through and he's getting ready to do a full body reseal on this. He's going back and making sure that nothing's tight, nothing's not tight, nothing needs to be reset or doctored up. And you can see he's got multiple different colors of silicone down here, both Boss and Geocell. And then, so you can see like up in here how it's all sealed now. That's to prevent any water or dirt getting loose. You can see here around all the lights, you can see where he started to seal all here around that. And he's doing the same thing down here. He's going back and he's siliconing all this stuff in place. You'll see other people online, and not knocking anybody. Everybody has their own methods to their madness. But me and Dave have done so many body reseals that, I don't know, probably got 100,000 tubes a piece, right, Dave?
Yeah.
And so you can see he's not having to tape it. He's knocking it down and going around. So like he's already done around all these doors. You can see all the sealant on these doors have been already resealed, even gone down around and did all the compartment doors. So we're trying to do any kind of water deflection that we can to prevent water from getting inside the coach. Now again, this is just a water deflection service. So when the water's coming down, we want it, I'm not gonna touch the fresh sealant, but we want it to roll off the sealant. Now if as time goes, this sealant, it's maintenanceable. It's not a forever kind of thing. There's nothing in our industry that's like that, that's a forever. It's like doing a manicure, pedicure, or trimming a tree or bush. Whenever it needs it, it needs it. So at that point, in years to come, once this thing starts moving and traveling, we'll have the customer come back within 90 days. We're gonna relook at everything. If anything needs to be touched up, we doctor it up one time for free. For anything that maybe it failed to adhere, or maybe we missed a spot, or maybe there's something that's loose, then that'll kind of give us, an idea of like what's going on with the coach, right? So if we seal this area or any other area, and then he comes back after 90 days after he's traveled with it, and we come back and we see it, we'll come back, correct the area, maybe pull something apart, add some extra screws or something depending on what we need to do to it, take a picture, document it down. Now it could be situations too, like, hey, you as the owners don't know, but you're driving them a little bit too rough. They're all made to kind of flex and move and go up and down and all that. So if something's really shifting bad, is it something wrong with the coach, or is it just something wrong with, it being, took in and out of something too hard, too tight of a turn, too tight of a transition? Watch your dips in your roads. Also over here, these typically come loose, and you can see me push on it to kind of close the gap. So we're either going to put some black screws or some tri-fold rivets in there and so on. You can see he's already started to open up some of the windows. So same thing, we've gone around all the windows and come over here to where he's done that, so you can see that fresh sealant there. He's gone through and sealed that. He's done this one with black, this one with white. He'll go back around and transition as he needs to. So same thing, this is all black, this is all white. Goes back and hits it. Same thing here, he didn't put white on here yet because he's still got some cleanup, but he did the black all the way around. He did the black from the black decal down. You can see where he's transitioned in white, from here white, and then black on down. So, we'll go back through and make sure that everything's all sealed up. Even the fender skirts, we went ahead and sealed the fender skirts. He sealed the, the handles. Same thing here, white and black. So this again is to try to prevent it from getting ever any water leaks in it. Now, it's not a bulletproof jacket, but it's better to have it than not to have it. So we've been working on these Brinkleys now at least, 2+ years, maybe 3. And I can't tell you how many of them, and we're in Lodi, California, so it doesn't rain that often, but a lot of the customers that have came in have had water leaks, whether it be in a compartment, moldings, floors, around the entry door area, around windows and whatnot. And so this has just been the standard in the industry as long as I've been doing this, 26 years, So giving them like I said, it's a water deflection. So if you want to learn more about that, you can check out our YouTube channel. We've got hundreds and hundreds of videos on this, even me sealing some of them up. We've got close to 400,000 now following us online on all of our different social media groups and other social media stuff. So you can check out our posts, articles, videos. We show a lot of the tools and products that we're using, scrapers that we use to go ahead and scrape these off, solvent cleaners that we use. So all that stuff is available to help you. So if you're doing it yourself, just check out those articles or videos or posts. So, all right, well, thanks so much for watching. This is Dustin and Dave, your Revy Specialist, and I'll come back on this as he gets more done. And again, that's why all his windows are open, so he could go around them and wear the best that he could. So, all right, thanks again. Have a great day.